Hello students, how are you all doing? Hope you are doing good and you are all fine. So today I am continuing with the second chapter of second term and I am starting from the page 80. So first, add the following numbers using the number line. So here we have to add by using the number line. First of all, what we have to do here, it is 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. So we have to find out the number 6 in the number line. That is, here it is. So 6 plus 3. We will count 3 from here. 1, 2, 3. So what we get the answer here? 9. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Similarly, 8 plus 7. So in the number line we will find out 8. That is here it is 8. We will count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we get the answer 15. We will write down 15. In addition, we will always count forward, and in subtraction we will always count backward. Now here in the copy, let me show you some examples. First is 9 plus 5. So first of all, we will find the number 9 in the number line. That is, here it is 9. We have to count 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get the answer here 14. So 9 plus 5 is 14. We will write down 14. Now second example, 6 plus 7. So here this is the number line. So we will find out the number 6. Here it is 6. We will count 7. So 6 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we get the answer here what? 13. So we will write down here 13. In similar way, we will do all this. In the similar way, we will do all. Now draw a number line from 1 to 20 in your notebook and add these numbers using it. The way we have done this, similarly we will also do this in our notebook by drawing the number line. We will find the first number, then when we plus the second number, and we will get the answer. Okay, so I am going to the next page. This is also another form of addition. Okay, now here it is 2 digits number, that is 26 plus 32. So we will count and we will do it. Okay, let me show you 2 examples. First we will do from the right hand side, that is from the ones house. 6 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 2. 1, 2. Then we will count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will write the answer here. Now in the tens house, 2 plus 3. That is 1, 2, then 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write down the answer here 5. If you count in your fingers also is okay, and if you count by drawing line also it is okay. So this second example. First the ones house. 5 plus 4. So we will give 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We will write down here 9. Ones house to the ones house, and the tens house we will count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 2. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will write down here 6. So in this way we will do all the rest. All this we will do in the same way. Okay, now let us go to the next page. Now this is a bit difficult for you. This is a new form of addition. So be careful. Here it is given. This is called carrying sums. Okay, so here it is given 36 plus 25. This is the tens house, this is the ones house. So as always we will first do the ones house first, that is right hand side. We will plus 6 and 5, that is we will give 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what we get here? 11. Now 11. 11 means there is 2-digit number. So here it is tens house, it is the ones house. So we will write ones house number under the ones house number, and this one will go up here. Will go up here. So we will add this tens house number in the tens house. First we will give 3, 1, 2, 3, then 2, 1, 2. We will add all this together. This one also we will add here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't forget to count this number also, okay? Don't forget to count this number also. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one 6. We will write it down here. Similarly, 5 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We get here 13. This 3 will go to the ones house, and this 10 will go to 1. This 1 will go to tens house, 1 here. Then we will plus all together. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Now let me show you 2 examples here in the copy. 9. This is tens and ones, that is 29 plus 17. So 9 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will plus. We will add, count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We get here 16. So this 6 will go here, and this 1 will go up here. Then we will plus all this. 2, then 1, and this 1 is already there. So 1, 2, 3, and 1 up here 1, 4. Next example, 1 plus 9. So 1, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. This 0 will go here, and this 1 will come up here. Okay, now we will count together. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. And this 1 will also will be there. We will also count this 1 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 9. So our answer is 90. Okay, the first one answer is 46, and the second one example answer is 90. So in the similar way we will do all. Okay, now to the next page. So here it is what? Read these stories and solve them. Means we have to do addition, story sums, addition sums. Okay. So number 1 and 2 I have not included. I have included 3, 4, and 5. 3, 4, and 5. So number 1. In a bus, 25 seats have people sitting on them, and 42 seats are empty. So here it is 25 seats, people are sitting on them, and 42 seats are empty. How many seats are there in the bus in all? So that means we have to find out the total number of the seats. So we will write here 25, then plus 42. Now we will plus 5 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will write down here 7, and then 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it is 6. Then the bus has 67 seats in all. That means there are how many seats? 67. Okay. Sorry, 67. Now the next number, that is number 4. 52 students in a class went for a picnic, and 17 students did not go for the picnic. That means in a class 52 students went for the picnic and 17 students did not go for the picnic. And how many students are there in the class? So we have to find out the total number of the student in the class. So we will write the first number first, then the second number, So automatically this is plus because we have to find out the total number. So we will plus 2 plus 7 is 9, 5 plus 1 is 6. Our answer is 69. So there are 69 students in the class. There are 69 students in the class. Okay, now the last one. There are 36 purple kites and 43 blue kites in a shop. Find out the total number of kites in the shop. That means in the in the shop there are 36 purple kites and 43 purple kites. So we have to find out the total number of the kites. First we will write the first number, that is 36. Then we will write the second number, that is 43. Then we will plus 6 plus 3 is 9, 3 plus 4 is 7. So our answer is 79. We will write down 79 here. That means there are 79 kites in the shop. So in this way we will find out the answers. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you have understand. Do revise your books and copies well. Thank you. See you in the next video.